What's up guys, Akshan here back with another video. Today's product is something interesting. What if I tell you I have a full-fledged PC in the size of a Tiffin box? Well, guess what? Even smaller. Sounds crazy, right? But you know it's not. Here it is.
Huh? Shan, this doesn't look like a Tiffin box size. Isn't that your PC?
Let me try again. Phew! Here it is. Meet Mini PC from a brand called Cenava. This is a full Windows 10 PC so small in size that can do pretty much anything a standard desktop is capable of. Let me show you. This is the box. Says TV box. That's because you can also connect this to a TV as well and use it as a streaming box. We'll talk more on that as we go. This is the 4GB RAM model which comes with 64GB internal storage expandable. Got it from banggood.com via India direct mail, so no customs. Cut open, you have the mini PC itself. Wow. Then a warranty card and a quick start guide. Then you get an adapter, an HDMI cable. That's about it. Here is a closer look at the Cenava mini PC box. It sure is surprising to see a full PC cramped into such a small form factor. If you have heard about the Mac Mini, this is something similar to that but for Windows. Top and bottom has aluminum build, looks solid. The black and silver finish looks good. Let's take a 360 view before we talk performance and other stuff. Top we have the Cenava branding, front an LED indication light. To the right we have the power button along with two USB 2 slots. At the back it has a power slot, one micro USB slot, HDMI, Ethernet and a 3.5mm audio slot. To the left it has one USB 2 and one USB 3 slot along with a micro SD card slot. So you have ample USB ports to expand storage with external drives or even a micro SD card. Flipping to the bottom, some ventilation for cooling and solid anti-slip rubber grips. Apart from the ample connectivity options, it also has inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.0 support. Overall pretty surprising and impressive build quality. Here is a quick look at the technical specifications. To get started, connect the box to your monitor using the HDMI cable. Then attach a keyboard and a mouse. Power up the box. And you have a full working PC without occupying much space. This is a space saver. At first boot, make sure to download the available Windows updates before you start working. I have been using this for a while and here is how the performance goes. This Cenava mini PC is powered by the Intel Cherry Trail X8350 quad-core processor clocked at 1.4 GHz, bundled with 4GB DDR3 RAM and Intel HD graphics. Has inbuilt 64GB storage, out of which 46GB is free to use. As said, you can expand it with external drives. Best part is it comes with a full version of Windows 10 Home Edition preloaded. Given the specs, you must understand that we are not talking about a high-end configuration here. This can be your regular everyday PC for browsing, chatting, social media, watching videos, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, office work. It handles everyday tasks with ease and is snappy. Good for students especially, but do note that this is not meant for high-end use such as video editing or heavy multitasking. For you geeks out there, here's a quick look at the Geekbench score. On the video playback, it supports up to 4K with no issues. So yeah, that's the PC part of it. Now, why does it say TV box? Well, connect it to your TV and you can use this box as a streaming device. Just pair a cheap air remote like this to the box and you're good to go. Since it's Windows, you can load your favorite streaming apps or web apps like Netflix, Google Play, Amazon Prime and whatnot. And Kodi for sure. They work pretty good. All your TV needs is a HDMI port to convert it into a smart TV. Video playback was also pretty smooth, can handle 4K videos with ease. So if you have a 4K TV, you can take advantage of that. Overall solves the purpose of being a 2-in-1 device. a PC and a TV box. Connect a keyboard and a mouse and it's a PC. Connect an air remote and it's a TV box. Now I know you guys will ask me, can I game on it? Yes, given the specs, don't have high expectations though. Games from the Windows App Store work good like Asphalt 8, Modern Combat, Gods of Rome, etc. in medium to low settings. If you are a casual gamer, you should be fine. Don't expect an immersive gaming experience. This is more for everyday tasks and video streaming, so strictly no graphic intensive gaming. However, if you still want to do some casual gaming, just pair a cheap Bluetooth game controller to the box and enjoy gaming like you're playing on a gaming console. On the heating, I did not face anything major even after 4 to 5 hours of continuous use. It was warm but was well under control. The only thing is you cannot upgrade the internals like RAM, etc. and they stay as it is. Also, the Wi-Fi speeds could have been better. Apart from that, this sure is an impressive device for Rs 9500 considering that a genuine retail license of Windows costs around Rs 7000. You can get a full-fledged PC for a little extra. An impressive buy for sure. We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description for you to check out. Also make sure to choose India Direct Mail for the fastest shipping and possibly to avoid customs charges. So that's the mini PC aka Tiffin box PC as I would like to cutely call it. Haha. Hope you found this video interesting. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, like and share. And if you're new to TechSean, make sure to hit that red subscribe button along with that bell icon so that we can catch up in another exciting video. Until then. I have more cool videos on the channel. Why don't you go and check them out?